Hey Marvel fans, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible journey of the Marvel Cinematic Universe, from its epic rise to a few recent bumps in the road. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride, the epic rise. It all began in 2008 with the release of Iron Man, a well-reviewed hit that not only kickstarted the MCU, but paved the path for an entire superhero-verse. Fast forward to today, and the MCU has become a cultural phenomenon, with a whopping $29.7 billion in global earnings. The MCU is like a money cinematic universe, boasting 10 movies earning over $1 billion each. Avengers, Endgame, sits at the tops with a staggering $2.7 billion. That's not just a movie, it's a box office titan. And let's talk profits. Spider-Man, Far From Home, swung in with a jaw-dropping 607% profit margin, while Black Widow faced a challenge with only a 90% return on investment. The drastic downfall. But wait, every hero has its kryptonite. Enter the Marvels, the 33rd film in the MCU, debuting with just $46 million, the lowest ever opening for an MCU movie. What went wrong? Well, a mix of factors: COVID-19 pandemic, poor reviews, scaled-back marketing, and oversaturation. It's a tough reality check for the superhero juggernaut. The decline is evident when you look at the phase-wise earnings. From the highs of Phase 3 to the uncertainties in Phase 4, it's been a roller coaster. Financial insights. Let's break it down. Phase 1, with a total of $3.8 billion and an average of $633 million per movie. Phase 2 saw a significant jump to $525 billion, averaging $875 million. Phase 3, the jackpot, with a whopping $13.48 billion, averaging $1.22 billion per movie. But Phase 4, it's a bit shaky, totaling $5.68 billion, with an average of $811 million. Phase 5 and challenges. Now, Phase 5 is here. 3 movies deep, earning $1.47 billion. But there's trouble in paradise. Recent underperformance and production delays due to Hollywood strikes are forcing Disney to rethink its game plan. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the challenges faced. Black Widow, Eternals, and Shang-Chi had their hurdles, and the impact is being felt across the Marvel universe. Conclusion. So, what's next for the MCU? As fans, we're invested in every twist and turn. Disney is re-evaluating, and Phase 5 might just be the redemption arc we've been waiting for. With Ant-Man and the Wasp, Quantumania, Guardians of the Galaxy Vol. 3, and the Marvels on the horizon, the story is far from over. The Marvel Cinematic Universe might have had its share of falls, but it's time for the epic rise once again. That's a wrap for today's journey through the rise and fall of the Marvel Cinematic Universe. What are your thoughts on the current state of the MCU? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more superhero updates.